I'm going to show you the 3 hidden systems that control your blood pressure, and most people only know of one of them.
When your adrenals are overwhelmed, they tighten your blood vessels. That alone could raise your blood pressure.
Your kidneys regulate fluid and electrolytes. When they're inflamed and stressed, your pressure rises instantly.
And here's the sleeper, your lymphatic system. When it backs up, inflammation skyrockets.
So if you're waking up puffy or stiff, then this triad is already at work. Please like the video, share it with a friend or family member, and leave the fire emoji in the comments if you found this helpful.